My name is Julian Andrea Parra Perez. What would you like to eat? May I take your order? Yes, I like hamburger and large order of French fries, please. All right, and would you like salad? Yes, I have a Mrs. Green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing do you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I like large soda, please. Good afternoon. What do you want to order? Thank you. A grilled breast with potatoes, with salad and rice, with salad but without rice. And the man would want to order rice with chicken and potatoes. And what do you want to drink? A pitcher of passion fruit can be without sugar. Thank you.